Hi, this is Qing Fan. With this screencast, I'd like to show you how to download, install, configure, and use Zettar ZCloud Virtual Appliance for VMware Server version 2. First of all, I invite you to come to our website. Its opening page is showing this Opera browser on the display. Once you are here, please click on the Buy Now button. If you are new to our website, please use this form to create an account for yourself. If you already have an existing account like myself, you can just click on this login now, okay? I'll log in using my email address. Select license. To start off, the free trial 14 days should be fine. For the preferred virtualization platform, make sure you select the VMware Server. I'm on a 64-bit computer, so I will choose 64-bit now, okay? Next. Double check everything. They look alright, so confirm your free order. And then double check everything again. Still looks alright, so click on the download. You want to save it? Yeah, to the downloads folder is fine. And now, Opera browser, I like to use it because it downloads pretty fast. I happen to be on a high-speed connection too, so that helps. So the pop-up window tells you it's up. Now let's get back this and open up the terminal. Take a look. Yes, it's here. The next thing you do is change mod. Now it becomes green. Okay. Next, do this. See, yes, yes, yes. For demo, I like to use net. Although later on you will see with the VMware Server version 2, okay, even you made a choice here, you still can change it inside of so-called web infrastructure UI, okay. So the decompression takes a little bit of time, so just be a little patient. It should be done pretty soon. Still going. Okay, done. Now, there are on-screen instructions here, but let me just give you a guided tour now, or more visually. Okay, so let me bring up this Google Chrome browser. You may wonder why I use two browsers. You know, I'm agnostic to software tools. I use whichever that's best to, in my experience, for the job at hand. And for using the VMware web management infrastructure, I found out that Google Chrome browser happens to be most speedy, so I'll use it. Let me log in, okay? Okay, the first thing you need to do is add a data store. I typically call it data, and the path is Zettar images. Next, you want to add virtual machine to the inventory in VMware jargon. It's pretty quick, so it's done. Now, remember early on I said that you could adjust the network interface. That's how you do it here. This thing takes a little bit of time, but it's alright. So what you do is click on Edit. Make sure you change it to net, and look at here. Okay, it says virtual device type not supported, modified device type. The E10 1000 happens to be okay for this. Now you can power it down. So now you ask, okay, the machine is powered up, what can I do with it? Well, VMware version 2 web interface, at least on the Ubuntu, which we found out despite VMware claims it's not officially supported, actually it's the most stable Linux version that runs the VMware Server version 2. So what we have done is we have written a shell wrapper that it's located in your home directory called VMRCSH. Just do it like this. It's very simple. Once you have done that, then the console for VMware Server will pop up, so you just log in. So now you using username Zettar, password Zettar, and then you start the configuration. I'm located in Mountain View, California, United States, so I'll say US, Pacific region 2. For a test virtual machine, I always like to use the hostname server 0, so let's do that. DHCP yes, proxy no. Okay, here is something you need to do. You need to make sure you update the SC host file. It's 128, here's 129, so we need to change just one digit, and we are all set. Okay, come back, continue configuration. Now it asks for license code. Where is it? Well, it's on your order detail page. That's why I never close the Opera. So type in very carefully, okay? ISV1D4STJ wait. ISV1D4STJX. Double check once more. ISV1D4STJX. Okay, now let's hide the browser again, and I will show you why. Here is what it's either a network traffic monitor, and once you enter the license code and click on the OK or hit the OK, you will see the virtual machine contacting our license manager. Okay, and over the internet. It's kind of fun to watch, so take a look. See? It's kind of fun, huh? Now, for first time, you don't care about creating a self-signed SSL certificate, so no. And Z Manager, yeah, sure, you want to give it the password. Just make up something simple for yourself. See, the configuration is done easy, isn't it? You can try out some options in the manual. HTOP happens to be my personal favorite, and you can see a lot of ZCloud processes running here. Let's get on here, okay? And minimize this window. Now, how do we use it? Now, I will show you this. What I will do is I will use a command line S3 client, okay, called S3 CMD, which is written in Python, because ZCloud is compatible with AWS S3, so you don't need to change any source codes of S3 CMD. You just switch the endpoint to what our virtual appliance provides, okay, and then you can use it as it is. So what I have done is I have written a shell wrapper which uploads 667 objects or files ranging from 0 byte to more than 1 megabyte to the virtual appliance. Let me show you how I do it. And I will make sure this interface is switched to this VMNet 8. That's the NAT network. Okay. Look, take a look. Because ZCloud is very efficient, and the S3 command line CMD is also a very efficient command line. utility, so the two talk very intensely, and the network traffic monitor window was full. Okay, now that's done, and I'd like to show you something else too. Remember early on, you configured the Z manager. That's how you access it. Use the password you configured. You log in and click on this reports tab. Okay, today is what, 28th? Okay, 28th. So click on the download, and you can just open it. See, the log is in the common log file format. Okay, so you have plenty tools to process it. It's very handy. Okay, let's close it. Let me just point out to you that the Z manager is localized with many different languages. So if you prefer to use a language that's different from English for your display, for your UI, you can do it. It's very convenient. Okay, and that concludes the screencast. Thanks for watching. I hope you will enjoy using our ZCloud virtual appliance. Bye bye now.